Hello guys, welcome to Tech Twins. Today we will start our new series which is based on how to program Arduino. Arduino is a basically microcontroller based development board. Arduino consists several digital input output pins and several analog input output pins. Like this is a 14 digital output pins where you can connect digital input devices or digital output devices. Digital input devices are like switches, push button, various sensors like PIR sensor, and this is analog input output devices where you can connect analog input device or analog output device. Analog input device like potentiometer, gyro sensor, joystick, etc. Arduino also consists some power pins and another several communication pins like serial communication pin, SPI and I2C communication pin. Now let's start programming of Arduino. For programming purpose, you require Arduino software which you can download from Arduino's official website. I also provide link in description box, from that you can download it. There are main three components in Arduino software. For programming purpose, the pre-requirement is basic knowledge of C language. Because Arduino is using embedded C, which is almost similar to C language. There are main three components in programming. First, you need to define variable. Then there is void setup. In void setup, it will execute once. Then there is void loop, where you can write your main program, which will continue executing. Now let's make one small code. Code is for 1 second LED on and 1 second LED off. Now first we have to define variable. We are defining our variable integer LED equals to 13. That means our LED which is connected on pin number 13 of Arduino board. Then in void setup, first we have to define a baud rate. Baud rate means Arduino is communicating at rate with its peripheral devices. Now we have to define our connected device is output or input. We connect LED with Arduino. So LED is an output device. Now our void setup portion is over. Now we will write a void loop. Void loop consists of our main program, which will executing continuously. Now we want to write a code for 1 second LED off and 1 second LED on. First we have to switch on the LED for 1 second. So for switch on the LED, we are writing LED is digital device. So we are write digital write. If we are using any input device, then we will write digital read. If we are using any analog device, then we will use analog write or analog read. Okay. Now by writing digital write LED high, your LED will switch on. Now we have to provide a delay of 1 second. By writing delay 1000, that means it will provide delay of 1000 milliseconds. Now we have to switch off LED. So we will again write digital write LED low. Now we want to switch off LED for 1 second. So we are again providing delay for 1 second. Don't forget to do semicolons. Now let's consider in void loop. It will executing continuously. For that the LED will switch on, it will wait for 1 second, LED will switch off, and again it will wait for 1 second. Now connect the Arduino with your laptop or PC, then compile your code. Then go in tool setting, then select a board. Currently we are using Arduino Uno, so we are selecting Arduino Uno. Then select a port. Our Arduino is connected with COMP19. Select it, which you can saw it is here in bottom. Then upload it.